classification of organic compounds. Organic compounds which are divided into two types, those are acyclic compounds and cyclic compounds. Acyclic compound is nothing but there is no bond between the two terminal carbon atoms. For example, in butane, there is no bond between the two terminal carbon atoms. Acyclic, those are known as acyclic compounds. Acyclic compounds which are again divided into two types, those are straight chain compounds or continuous compounds, continuous chain, and then branched chain compounds. For example, for straight chain compounds, there is an example, butane. This is known as butane, or propane, ethane, etc. These are all the continuous chains. There is no branches. Straight chain compounds, for example, butane, propane, ethane, and so on. And coming to the branched chain compounds, for example, isobutane. This alkyl group is known as branched alkyl group. This type of compounds are known as branched chain acyclic compounds. Okay, this part is finished. Next, coming to the cyclic compounds, there is a bond between the two terminal carbon atoms. For example, benzene. This is the cyclic compound. In these cyclic compounds, we have two types of compounds here. Those are alicyclic compounds and aromatic compounds. Alicyclic compounds is nothing but aliphatic compounds. Aliphatic cyclic compounds. And aliphatic cyclic compounds which are divided into two types, homocyclic and heterocyclic. For example, homocyclic means cyclobutane, cyclopropene, cyclohexene, everything. These are all homocyclic compounds. Now coming to the heterocyclic compounds. For example, tetrahydrofuran, THF. In this we have oxygen in the ring. This oxygen is known as heteroatom, and this type of compounds are called heterocyclic compounds. Hetero is nothing but different. There is an other than carbon or hydrogen atom containing in a ring. Other than carbon or hydrogen atoms containing in a ring is called heteroatom, and then compound is called heterocyclic compound. For example, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. These are all known as heteroatoms. Now coming to the aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds which are again divided into benzenoid compounds, non-benzenoid compounds, and heterocyclic compounds. Benzenoid compounds. There are one or more fused benzene rings containing in a compound is called benzenoid compounds. Here is benzene. This is two fused benzene rings, naphthalene, and three fused benzene rings are called anthracene. These are all known as benzenoid compounds. And also substituted benzenes also known as benzenoid compounds. Here coming to the non-benzenoid compounds. Simply there is no benzene ring in a compound. For example, tropone. For example, tropone. And next coming to the heterocyclic compounds. Here also same. Here alicyclic compounds also having heterocyclic compounds. Here aromatic compounds also containing heterocyclic compounds. These are aliphatic cyclic compounds. These are aromatic heterocyclic compounds. For example, for this we have example furan and thiophene. Here also same, other than carbon or hydrogen contain atoms containing in a ring are called heterocyclic compounds, but these are aromatic compounds, these are aliphatic compounds.